Baby, you got a bright future behind you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I don't know if you find any similarities in someone's makeup. Well, you guessed that right. I tried to copy Kim Kardashian's and Mario collab's makeup look today. This is the look that she wore on the launch party of their new KKW kit. I do not have that kit with me. I might be purchasing it soon, but I couldn't wait. I couldn't resist myself from creating this look. So here it is. And I did not use any of the KKW products in this look. I really wanted to, and I might do in future. But for today's look, I just created the palettes that I already had with me. So if you wanna find out how I created this look, please continue to watch. So I'm taking Jaclyn Hill's palette. I'm taking the shade Silk Cream in the Buffer Blending Brush by Morphe, and I'm just applying it in my crease area. This blue shade from the palette Morphe 35S that I showed you from the previous clip, I'm just packing it up on my lid using this definer brush by Morphe. I'm packing this darker blue shade from the same palette on the lid. With this tapered brush, I'm applying the lighter blue color in my crease. To get the right shade of blue, I'm packing the shade Twerk from Jaclyn Hill's palette, using my fingers to pack it on my lid. Using MAC and W30 to correct my under eyes. So I use Milani Natural 02 whenever I want my foundation shade to be a shade or two darker than my skin tone, and that's what Kim's shade is. I believe she's, I guess, 2 or 3 shades darker than me, so I went with Milani Natural 02. I got some in my hairline, which I later removed using the makeup remover wipe. I'm just applying some more foundation to the areas where it's needed more. Applying Marc Jacobs Dark Black Pencil on my waterline. Even though this is the concealer that I usually always use, but I also really wanted that brighten under eyes effect just like Kim Kardashian. And my foundation was like 3-4 shades darker than my concealer, but that's what I wanted anyways. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in milk to contour as always. Using Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend in my concealer. I like using this kind of a brush to blend in my contour, especially around my nose area, because it's very detailed and it blends in the contour, especially the cream contour, really well. This brush doesn't really have any name mentioned on it. I apologize, I know the lighting is horrible. The sun decided to play with me that day, but I still kept on going. I didn't want to stop. It is so annoying, it is horrible, I admit, but I still wanted to upload this video. The main focus of the video were the eyes anyways, and you could see each step clearly. This color was very similar to what Kim was wearing on that day. It's Home Slice by Tarte. Here I'm applying the Kiss Wispies by Vegas Snake. I went over my liquid lipstick and applied this lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Butterscotch.
Baby, you got a bright future behind you.
The lighting decided to get better at this step. I don't know, I wish I knew at that time. If you like this look and if you want to watch more looks like this, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit that like button on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And you could tell me if I'm off, but I